Welcome to Resource AI Hub. What if the key to building better AI developer tools was deleting 80% of your code? Traditional developer tools locked AI models inside restrictive chat panels and step-by-step instruction sets. Heavy software scaffolding actually hobbled performance by imposing human micromanagement onto capable models. Creator Boris Cherny stripped away UI buttons and gave Claude direct access to the terminal. When Anthropic launched Opus 5, his team removed over 80% of Claude Code's system prompt. As underlying AI models become smarter, heavy legacy prompts clutter context and degrade logical performance. Cherny's core design rule is resetting system prompts and custom tools down to 0. You test where the model stumbles and re-add instructions line by line only when required. Instead of 50-step prompts, Claude Code relies on continuous automated verification loops. To test this, Anthropic tasked Claude with rewriting their Electron desktop app into native Swift. Given access to a Mac virtual machine, the agent ran autonomously inside Slack for over 2 weeks. It took screenshots, compared pixels against the original design, and submitted pull requests continuously. In another experiment, Claude spent 11 continuous days rewriting Bun's JavaScript engine from Zig to Rust. The model executed that massive refactor guided almost entirely by whether the test suite passed. Today, Anthropic uses background routines to trigger hundreds of AI maintenance agents daily. These agents act as abstraction police, scanning all repositories to delete dead code and useless tests. However, long-running agent loops require dedicated virtual machines and deterministic feedback targets to function. Without objective verification feedback like test suites or image checks, continuous AI loops quickly drift. Replacing step-by-step prompt chains with goal verification reduces software complexity dramatically. Engineers should stop building over-engineered prompt scaffolding for modern AI systems. Giving models terminal freedom lets them integrate naturally across compilers, testing frameworks, and communication channels. Clear goals combined with automated verification consistently outperform thousands of lines of prompt instructions. Anthropic proved that modern AI tools need simple prompts and high agent autonomy to succeed. Strip down your system prompts, build strong verification loops, and let the model surprise you.